Hello everyone, today I'm talking about the history of the football player Harry Kane. Harry Kane rose from the determined young player famously released by Arsenal Academy to become a global football icon. After the developing through land spell, the explode onto the scene at the Tottenham Hotspur, where he became the club all-time leading goal scorer with the 267 goals and won the 3 Premier League Golden Boot. In 2023, seeking time trophy, he moved to Bayern Munich and immediately made an impact, finishing his debut season as the Bundesliga top scorer for the England national team. Kane is the captain and the all-time leading male goal scorer. He won the Golden Boot at the 2018 FIFA World Cup and has been central to the team's recent international success. Thank you for watching my video.